and this is where you're going to know if you're working on veneer or solid hardwood like this, because you definitely don't want to use this tool on anything with veneer. It'd eat it up in an instant.
Exactly.
You need to know kind of what type of wood you're working on when using some of these tools. Other ones, maybe not so much. Some of the flat like the scrapers and that. But
here you can see that if I wanted to, there is some flex in the long end right here. And so if I'm really wanting to work right there, that's how much lateral forces I can get out of 3 millimeters thick of 4140 steel.
You're not going to get that out of like the Sawzall blade, or that's just going to bend on you. It's not going to, like, this is
exactly stout. And just like any hook and loop surface like you have for your palm sanders or anything like that, we can put adhesive loop on a sponge pad, and just instead of this being sandpaper, it could still be a sponge pad doing the same thing, and you would have more conformity to all of this. So we're just powering it, that's all.
Now that you mentioned that, though, that's what we'll do. In one of the next videos, we're going to home make a few blocks, sanding profiles, sanding sponges, using the system, and just a few items that you can get on Amazon, Home Depot, any of those things. So, is there anything else you have to say about this one, Eric?
Yeah, you know what? There's certain things sometimes that go unsaid, and it's like if I started this with the edge right there, right? Here is the rasp on that side, and here is the sandpaper. And look at this. I'm just going to wrap it all the way around. Look at that. And guess what? No more rasp, right?
Yeah.
And if that was something far away, right? I'll go down to low just because we were talking about that the other day, right? So now I'm just covering up the rasp, and I've still got all of this extra length contact surface in order to get into all these areas that we're talking about. So whether or not you're going to come back and hit this one right there, and then come over here and fix this one, the answer to the problem is your ability to find the solution. And this is, that's another solution right there.
Well, and that's the thing, is eventually Davis Tool Systems will have a range of bits, drivers, scrapers, chisels, Phillips head screwdriver bits like we were playing with yesterday.
Exactly.
Eventually, but until then, the possibilities are endless, especially using the hook and loop and the sandpapers for us refinishers, woodworkers, professional and novice. It doesn't matter. Like
flooring guys really love the strap sander.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And it can be done for restorations or new builds. So if they're going to install it, obviously, when they install it with glue, you're going to get water pop. Well, you're going to still need to do, maybe you don't use the power tool. You use the hand tools, and you just hit that last little bit. So like I said, we're gonna set up for another video. Just stay tuned. Scroll down in this playlist. There's a bunch of videos from inside my shop using the Davis Tool Systems items. And like I said, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you, Aaron.
We'll see you.
Thank you.